How to get ready for a job that does not yet exist. How to build a company and become your own boss. What to focus on in your education and what are the top skills of tomorrow. In answer to these questions, we have created the Future Skillset Academy that will guide you in your personal and professional development. This online learning program is for every young person who wishes to become more competitive in today's world. We have created 4 courses around future skills, job market, entrepreneurship, and save the world topics. The Academy is based on self-learning, no grades, no deadlines. Feel free to take any course at any convenient time for you and in the order you wish. Each course consists of a reading part, interesting materials, and videos. It also has a self-reflection part and a quiz to check what you learned. You will acquire a digital certificate after finishing the Academy that you can share with your friends on social media. Pack your bags and embark on the adventure Future Skills.